Here's a good overview of the project that I'm in the middle of. I'm building raised beds. Here are the beds that I'm starting to put concrete into. Hopefully they're level. There's 3 different ones, so I had to kind of eyeball it and use some levels and just try to make a nice trench I'm filling with concrete. So this is the last piece over here. I've just been digging it out. Okay, that's the last trench done. Mix a batch of concrete. Here's the concrete mix. I'm doing equal parts sand and gravel mixed with Portland cement. You want to be a little careful mixing the Portland cement in, as it's dusty, so wear a mask anytime you're handling it. Okay, there's the mix looking pretty nicely put together. Not real loose. I think it'll be good. Let's go pour it. So you want to smooth it out. Then get it level. Okay, next day, concrete is dry. I'm checking the level on the concrete here. So I just put 4 bricks high and put the level on it to make sure that we're good between the 3 beds, and looks like we're in good shape for that. So key ingredient here, the bricks that I scavenged. There's a huge pile of them, like a pallet full. So I've just been getting them piece by piece. Boomer and Sunny helping out as usual. Just set the bricks down dry, just to make sure that everything fits and everything's square. Then we'll put in the first course. And I'm about halfway done with the brick project. As you can see, the first bed is finished, well, except for the capstones. The second bed got 2 rows in, and the third bed will be the project for today. Okay, welcome back. It's Sunday. Dogs are watching up there. Got some bacon smoking on the Weber. Oh yeah. Okay, this is my mortar mix. This is what I bought at the home center. It's Portland cement and sand. I've been mixing 3 parts sand to 1 part cement. Definitely amateur work, but some things I've noticed. First, about the bricks. I said they were hollow bricks. It seems this is for insulation reasons. You would have an air break. I don't know what the bricks were supposed to be used for originally. So a little bit of a challenge for me, learning how to use this tool, is placing the mortar neatly without making a huge mess on top of the row of hollow bricks. Okay, a milestone is reached. Literally, a lot of bricks I've been working on over here. This bed here, I already pulled out the old wood from. These beds, I still need to pull out the old wood. It's so rotten, it just comes right out. Here's a capstone just set in place. As you can see, excuse me, it's a brick that I've cut in half. This is a skill saw that I bought on Amazon and shipped to Japan. I think it was like less than $100 for the saw and probably $50 for shipping. And I used it a lot in the bathroom with the tile project. It works really well. I just changed the blade for the first time after cutting several thousand tiles. The old blade was still cutting well. We'll see how this new blade does. So I'm doing the capstones the same way I did the bricks, just with mortar set in place and the stone resting on top. Here's a close-up of the angle iron put in place with the capstones cut carefully around it. The mortar gives the angle iron additional support, so when I'm using these to hold the netting in place, they're pretty strong. Not a lot of wiggle. And the capstones are all finished. So we're moving along nicely with the project. Here's a look at that finished bed again. Using the angle iron to hold the net in place. Basically just set some bamboo on top of the iron. This will give me additional ways to grow vegetables with some support and give the netting a little more strength. The project's just about finished. For a first time DIY doing bricks, turned out pretty good. We'll see if it's dog proof. Looks like they've already been investigating a little bit on this corner. Right, Boomer? What do you think about the project? Turned out good, huh? They're not dog beds, they're garden beds.